Finally, today's the day. We're going to Nepal.
First time you're going Nepal. How you feeling?
Oh yeah, excited. Excited, but you know, we still like a long way to go, kind of.
Yeah.
Like so many
transits.
Yeah. So hopefully everything will go like very well on the time.
Yep.
You know.
Yes. So all our bags are packed here.
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
Yeah. My luggage is like a 1 kg extra in this moment, so hopefully
It's gonna be fine, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
So first of all, we're going to Rockhampton, and we're gonna stay in one of our friends' house there. And after that, we're gonna go to Brisbane.
Yep.
Brisbane to Singapore, Singapore to finally Kathmandu, and we'll be arriving in Kathmandu tomorrow. Oh, it's gonna be a long flight. We are ready for it. I waited 7 years to go back to my home. Miss my family, my friends. So finally the day is here. 5 months I waited, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something. So we bought the ticket 5 months ago, and I was counting each and every day. Finally the day is here. Very excited. So let's go. Shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
ल गाइस हामी चाहिँ एयरपोर्ट आइपुग्यो हैन लगेज पनि हाम्रो वेट नापिसक्यो अलिकति ओभर छ तर इट्स ओके हैन है Last stop in Brisbane airport here now. So we're going to be boarding soon. And we'll be in Singapore Airlines.
Finally.
कस्तो भइरहेको
सही हो है अब चाहिँ बल्ल हल्का के होला चाहिँ
अझ के होला थुप्रै बल्ल
अहिले चाहिँ खासै त्यस्तो हुन्न अब सिङ्गापुरबाट काठमाडौँ जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ हो
सही हो
एउटा फ्लाइट छ किन
हामी चाहिँ प्लेनमा आइसक्यो होइन अब चाहिँ मुभी नाइट हुँदैछ हाम्रो यहाँ अपग्रेड रहेछ है हाई स्पिड चाहिँ ready to sleep
So sleepy now.
सही हैन
Ramen.
Why not? We're gonna have ramen for breakfast.
At 6 a.m.
Gonna be good.
Yeah.
Soup हेर्दा त सही छ है गाइस मेरो चाहिँ मिसो हो न खडा छ है
मान्छे के है
खाना जति बवाल थियो है फिनिस ल हामी चाहिँ अब आराम विश्राम गरिरहेको अवस्था माथि स्ट्रेचिङ Final one.
Yeah, no.
Second last, and we head into Kathmandu.
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna be my home.
Yeah. This flight is less than 3 hours, so I'm happy about it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And after that, it's just 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So it should be
Very
awesome.
good. Feeling trouble.
So we came here and then because of the weather condition in Pokhara they couldn't fly the aeroplane, so we stuck here for now 1 hour.
Yeah, ish.
Very tired. Luckily we found some guys. We're traveling to same city with us, Pokhara, so they're gonna find a vehicle, and then once they get the vehicle sorted out, then we're gonna hire the vehicle and then we're gonna go.
Yeah. How long it's gonna be?
It's gonna take 6-7 hours.
Oh my god. Another flight, you know?
We thought it's just 25 more minutes, but it's gonna take forever now again. So tired.
दुःख पाइयो एकदमै सही सल्लाह आइयो समीर शिरीष मामा सनी मेरो मम्मी ड्याडी चाहिँ खै के गर्नुहुन्छ थाहा छैन तलतिर माइजू नेपाली खाजा भइरहेको चिया रोटी मान्छे पनि उठिसकेको छ How are you feeling?
Very Very fresh.
Very fresh, good. Looking beautiful, miss.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna call my sister.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be my wife's wedding dress.
Yeah.
Looking nice and beautiful here. Looking very good, awesome.
Nice. I really like this skirt, you know?
Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah. It's good, so I'm gonna call my sister again. Sonny! राम्रो देखेछ है त्यो अलिकति त्यो चाहिँ लुज भयो है लेङ्गा चाहिँ त्यो के गर्नु मिल्छ त्यसलाई अब ए ट्राई गर्नु मिल्छ त्यहाँबाट
Have you brought any heels?
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
I do.
एउटा हो प्री वेडिङ होइन चट्टा लाएर प्री वेडिङ हुँदैछ यहाँ प्री वेडिङ ट्रायल हुँदैछ
Trial session.
रिएक्सन एकछिन जस्ट वान सेकेन्ड मैले स्लोली आई वान्ट टु सी द रिएक्सन आउँदैछ आउँदैछ ल
बच्चा कि नभन्छ?
बच्चा नि यस्तो
कति राम्रो के रहेछ मैले भने हैन?
ल फोटो खिचिदिने होइन
भिडियो फोटो त उता बाबाकोबाट
बाबा राम्रो आउँछ
यारै
आमाकोबाट
सासु बुवाले
दिस इज भिडियो
यता यहाँ हेर्नु यहाँ फोटो खिचिरहेछ
के ल्याइदियो माछी भाउजीले ए माइजीले अमेरा के हो त्यो
भन न के
के हो त्यो
कङ्गारू भन
कङ्गारू
Oh, very nice. Looks very different.
मी
Oh my god.
हाम्रो चाहिँ मेरी लगाउने कार्यक्रम हुँदैछ अब मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हाम्रो सनम पाण्डे हाम्रो मन्जु बहिनी मान्छे तिमीले लाउने हो मेहन्दी लाउने हो हाम्रो नेपाली ढाका टोपीमा ल ढाका टोपी निधारमा टलक्क टल्कियो एकदम प्रेसरमा आएको छ हाम्रो सनम र मन्जु बहिनी ब्युटिफुल ल ल ल ओके ओके ल
उता गर्न माथि
Our party just ended. So goodbye.